I am searching so many institutes in Pune about digital marketing, but I really found a good digital training institute. This is Digital Trainee.
I find out this Digital Trainee website, and there is so many information, and this is a practical oriented course.
Digital training is helpful for me for all the modules and the tools.
Join digital marketing course here, digital training, because they provide 100% practical.
Digital Trainee is, I think, a best institute in Pune because of their practical education.
As digital trainee says that 100% practical knowledge, and they keep their word.
My name is Balkrishna Tharakode. I am a profession of designer. Now I am searching for a digital marketing course for my improvement of my designing skill, and I am finding so many websites and researching in Pune. I find out this digital trainee website, and there is so many information, and this is a practical oriented course. For this course, I'm finding so many things. There is a practical oriented uh, lectures is there, and practically assignment is there. So many assignments cover in this course. So I am so much interested for this course. Then when I am joining this course, I am thinking कि digital training is a different way. But I am when I join this course, that time I found so many practical oriented and so many content is there. So I am joining this course.
Hello, my name is Jeevan. I wanted to join digital marketing course, so I was searching for it, and then I found Digital Trainee. This is the best marketing course, and they were taking all 26 modules, and that was quite impressive. So I went there and done some inquiry. So and found it was this is what I'm looking for. So I've decided to join this course.
Hello, my name is Payal Patil. Digital Training is the best institute for digital marketing. Here they can provide 100% practical knowledge, 100% training, and provide best knowledge.
My name is Sonia Nayak. I have done PGDM in marketing. I have knowledge about the digital. I have not go through it all the knowledge. So digital training is helpful for me for all the modules and the tools.
Hello guys, this is Mohit here. I am searching so many institutes in Pune about digital marketing, but I really found a good digital training institute. This is Digital Training, where I get learn a lot about digital marketing in detail. All the courses practical, and we got also placed from here, so I'm really happy about it.
My and I came to know about Digital Trainee from one of my friend. He was a candidate over here. Digital Trainee is, I think, a best institute in Pune because of their practical education. Our teachers always train us not to be top in digital marketing, but to be top in other extracurricular activities also, like how to be in the commercial world, how to behave in the office, like that ways.
Hello, I am Prachi Bankar, and I'm a marketing student, and I was searching for a digital marketing course to grow up my career, and I just go through local search for digital marketing. That I saw there I saw digital trainees high ranking, and I simply fill the form of contact form of digital marketing, and they called me immediately, and I enrolled the course because they are containing modules, very effective modules.
Then in this course module, I am creating one website, that is a boomcreativity.com, that is related to design base, as well as creating some content, like to creative contents, and I create that types of website.
I've created one website that site name is skillnuts.in. I'm doing website designing and digital marketing services. So I've created in WordPress with all features used in it.
I create website for startmarketing.in. We provide all the services of digital marketing on this website.
My website is based on the art and craft, and all the article is put on this website.
I have created one website named informativebuzz.com, which is one blog related website. So please be visit there.
My website is topwhat.in, and in topwhat.in I always post the information about whatever is top in the world. I post about that in my website. My teacher helped me for building it, and also about giving me a nice type of content.
I have developed my website mastersexcels.com, and in that website I am providing advanced Excel and basic Excel tutorials.
About these trainers, here is so many well knowledge trainer, as well as he fulfill our whatever recommendations or whatever good things they fulfill. uh, Good things. Vishal sir also teaches very good, and that is a proper way of teachings, as well as considering as our problem solving questions is there, and he solve proper way. Then
Vishal sir was here as a trainer. He's very good in his teaching. He has good experience of teaching digital marketing. He satisfies our query. He's a good teacher.
My trainer is Vishal sir. Vishal sir is the best trainer, and he provide all knowledge about all modules of digital marketing and best examples about it.
My trainer name is Vishal, and he's a good knowledge about the all the digital marketing tools, and he's helpful for solving our problems.
And Vishal sir delivers a fabulous knowledge about it, in-depth knowledge about it.
I don't consider Vishal sir as a teacher only, but he's like a friend, philosopher, and guide to me. Whenever I have a difficulty in my personal field in my office, I always ping him. Whenever he get time, he always give me a nice suggestion about what I can implement in my personal work.
About a trainer, Vishal sir was our trainer, and he has a full knowledge of current trend and of digital marketing, and he always tries to solve our queries as soon as possible.
about this training, is this training institute. uh, there are so many things, so many practical oriented is there. Then if you are interested in learn about this digital training, or learning something different, or if you want to uh, align you, if you are a designer or if you are any marketing person, you can, this is a add-ons for your careers and add-ons for your future. So you can join us this digital training for practical oriented.
Yeah. Digital 10 is actual practical course oriented, and I think who is seeking for digital marketing course, who should join this course. Thank you.
I recommend to all students ki, join digital marketing course here, digital training, because they provide 100% practical training. Staff is very helpful, and we they solve our all queries here.
I recommend it to join digital training because they have a very good staff for communicating each other and helpful for to everybody.
It is 100% practical course, so I will recommend that join digital training today and get your benefit. Start learning from today.
I will personally recommend you to join Digital Trainee because of their focus on practical knowledge, and the world of digital marketing is based upon the practical knowledge only. So whenever you, if you will join the Digital Trainee, you will get to know about how to work from bottom to top in the field of digital marketing. Thank you.
As digital trainee says that 100% practical knowledge and they keep their word. That's why I will refer my friends and colleagues to pursue this course.